When I come into a due diligence effort, I am reading it for three things that will tell me whether this process is setting up an integration that can deliver the value the deal is built on. The first is whether integration leadership is in the room while diligence is underway, not receiving the findings after the deal is signed. Reading those findings for what they will require after close is a different job than validating them. And it has to happen while there is still room to actually act on it. The second is whether the technology has been scoped with a real view of cost and timing. How long can the business run on the seller's systems? What does the data migration demand, and which platforms have to be built before integrating? The third is whether diligence has identified the people the business truly depends on and whether we've developed a plan to keep them invested in what the combined company is becoming. Value carried by a few key relationships holds only as long as those people are committed. Due diligence done with the integration in mind becomes the foundation the integration is built on. I'm Michele Grant, and this is Leading at Scale.